Have you ever faced a frustrating issue with your app's rating system? If you're using Android Nougat and your rating values seem off, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem with the rating bar and how to fix it. I totally get how annoying it can be when you click on a star and the rating doesn't match your expectation. It's like ordering a pizza and getting a salad instead. You're not the only one experiencing this issue, and it's more common than you might think. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user reported that when they click on the second star, it shows a rating of 3, and clicking the fourth star gives them 5. They also noticed that the rating changes based on where they click on the star. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this strange behavior? The rating bar in Android can sometimes misinterpret clicks based on the touch area. This can lead to unexpected values being returned in the OnRatingBarChangeListener callback. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to ensure your rating bar works perfectly every time. To address the issue with the rating bar, the user should first check the step size property in the XML layout. The step size determines how the rating is incremented when a star is clicked. Next, the user should modify the OnRatingBarChangeListener to ensure it captures the correct rating value. This can be done by adjusting how the rating is calculated based on the user's click position. Additionally, the user should consider implementing a custom listener to handle the click events more precisely. This can help in distinguishing between the first and second halves of the stars. Finally, the user should test the rating bar after making these changes. They can do this by running the application and clicking on the stars to verify that the ratings are now accurate. Fun fact: did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple games like Snake? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes even the simplest things can trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. A user pointed out that this issue is a known bug in API 24. They suggest that the only solution is to upgrade your device if your manufacturer or carrier provides an update. Alternatively, you could implement a custom rating bar to work around this problem. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adjusting the step size of the rating bar to 0.1. In the OnRatingBarChangeListener, they suggest using a code snippet that rounds the rating to the nearest whole number. If the rounded rating differs from the original, it updates the rating bar's rating accordingly. The user notes that this solution was written in Xamarin Android, but it can be easily adapted to Java by changing the ceiling function and using the rating bar's setter. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always test your rating bar by clicking in different areas of the stars to see how it responds. This will help you understand how it interprets user input. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your rating bar should now reflect the correct ratings. Remember, testing is key to a smooth user experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle more common Android issues.